Hello and welcome. My name is Rebecca and I am the temporary housewife. Today I share with you a super easy keto slow cooker chili. Ingredients that I used to make my chili were about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, sazón, taco seasoning, rotel, tomato paste, little mini colored peppers. I also added some garlic powder, dried minced onion, and chili powder. I turned on my slow cooker / rice cooker on saute and started adding my ingredients. By all means, you can mince your fresh garlic and chop your own little onion, but this was me cooking in the middle of a work day, so I needed to be in and out as quick as possible. It needed salt, but why use salt when I have adobo? Ideally, you would use beef broth for this, but I didn't have any, so I just used chicken broth and it turned out pretty delicious. And here it is, Keto Slow Cooker Chili. I topped mine with sour cream, freshly shredded cheddar cheese, and chopped scallions. And let me tell you, this was just so delicious, so comforting, and it kept my tummy full for long hours. I highly recommend. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see some more, please subscribe. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and buen provecho!